If a genie come to you right now.
A who?
A genie.
Genie. You talking about like in the bottle, like a Aladdin?
Yes.
Aladdin.
If he come to you right now and say, you ready to have $1 million or...
I'm sure you know we gotta make it up. That's how we gon' get it. I get so high, I put these drugs into my...
Let's do the thumbnail. What's up, YouTube? And we back with another video. We already, I know we're gonna put video, but y'all already read the title, so y'all know what we got going on. We are doing a Thanksgiving
MUKBANG. It's T-Man mama cooking, so this is my first time having it.
First time. Thanksgiving.
Shout out to Rob on the chicken side.
He put down on the chicken side. My mama dropped the turkey, bro.
Where is it?
Down there. Yeah, I like it. You understand? In the bag.
Major loss.
It's just turkey. I don't really like turkey like home anyway.
But it's like Thanksgiving, you supposed to have turkey.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like,
I don't really care for it. I like ham than turkey.
man, ham is the shit. Ham is the shit, bro. What's up?
Let us know what y'all eat.
Rob.
Yo.
Ham or turkey?
Huh?
Ham or turkey?
Ham?
Ham. See? Ham gonna do it, man.
That turkey shit alright.
That's great.
It ain't better than ham, though.
If we dropped the ham, it would have been maybe it would have been
that
there.
ham by itself though.
Oh yeah.
The one that's open.
Alright, so John.
Okay. Look.
You go for that either one of them other ones.
Tell me about your little life, cool.
So that's what we doing in this video.
I mean,
My little life's great.
let's talk about like, you know. Do
like-
you want a girlfriend?
Oh yeah.
You want a girlfriend?
I mean that's always the goal.
A girl.
Yeah. But when you come across a female that's
If you ever get a girl, how long would it take you, you know, to put her on your YouTube channel?
I mean I'd probably do it right away. But
Alright, wait.
it wouldn't be like no damn Josh and such and such. It'd be Josh be too lit. But
she on
the title gonna be prank on his girlfriend, you know.
Oh.
I ain't doing that.
So you gonna call your girl. Oh, so you saying.
But YouTube ain't got nothing to do with it though. That's just fun.
Yeah, but you saying.
Yeah.
You saying. She gonna be like, it gonna be. It's your channel.
Yes. But
But
she gonna be a
she
business.
all on it.
But she
Kind of
a
like
business.
how I'm on your channel a lot. You on my
Yeah.
channel a lot.
But not like that much, you know.
Yeah.
It just, you know.
I feel.
She gonna get seen, y'all gonna see her. Goddamn.
So what you were saying, cuz?
T-Man got a girl on the way, so, you know, tell the folks about your lady that you got coming on the way, that you gonna put all over your little still make sure. Come on, let 'em
But
know.
you don't play.
See your bitch ass dropping you on the spot. Yeah, I've seen it.
But the only reason I put you on the spot, Josh, because you know, you almost in that stage, you feel me? T-Man, now in that stage, I'm single, bro.
What
I'm
stage am
single,
I in?
I'm single, but
Nigga, what stage am I in?
you are in that finna be in a relationship stage.
Really?
Yeah,
Bro, I hate doing my legs like this, man.
you gotta pick out two.
Alright.
Love or $1 million.
$1 million.
$1 million. And you would just be single for the rest of your life.
Oh, you saying I had to be single? Nah, I take the love.
Yeah.
But I'm saying if I can take the $1 million and miss out on that with that person, then I'll be cool with that. I'm just saying, like, I be like, it'll have to be because, you know,
You need that $1 million.
that money you can go chase after, you know,
Your
bigger
dream.
things than just liking somebody.
Yeah.
But if I took the $1 million and I couldn't have nobody, I'd take the love and then, you know, build something, do some YouTube or some shit. Get us both paid.
You gonna keep doing YouTube?
Hell yeah.
You gonna keep living your regular life?
Yeah.
If a genie come to you right now,
A who?
a genie,
Genie. You talking about like in the bottle, like a lab?
yes.
I love that.
If he come to you right now and say, you ready to have $1 million or you can't love nobody for the rest of your life?
I'm taking that love. I'm gonna take that love.
You taking love or you taking that $1 million?
Alright, but we can still fuck somebody though, right?
Listen, bro.
Yo,
I'm taking $1 million.
you said you taking that love over $1 million?
Yeah,
If I can't
bro,
know
I'm
love,
taking
then-
$1 million, bro.
Bro,
You taking that $1 million, man?
think about being happy, bro.
Man.
You can make some money,
But still though, bro. If
but
you want
being
this shit right
happy ain't
then,
happy.
if you want this shit right then,
You tell you what I do?
What?
I'll take that. That love, girl.
Yeah,
Cause I want a girl.
It ain't nothing like no girl.
You can't hold for your whole life, bro.
it ain't nothing like having your
my whole
girl.
life, what the fuck?
Oh, well, you do that.
Bro, when you got $1 million, bro, you ain't gonna wanna have no girl. Well,
Yes. You are gonna want to have a girl.
Well, you do,
And
but
people gonna be playing you and ducking your ass and taking your money.
who?
So
Ain't nobody gonna duck me.
I just grind
Yeah.
and stick to, you know, doing what I'm doing and try to get to $1 million.
Yeah.
And have that girl and have all that, you feel me?
These hoes is nothing.
Yeah.
Good sound heartbroken. Don't you got a girl, baby?
Who broke your heart, bro?
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Hey, that was in the past, bro.
Don't you got a girl?
I said the hoes.
No.
I said the hoes.
But you said you taking $1 million over
said
your
genie,
girl?
bro.
I said, bro, you said you taking $1 million over your girl. He
What
said,
you
you said it's a genie, bro.
But you said it was a genie. I said off the movie Aladdin.
Bro, he switched it.
You taking $1 million over your girl.
Oh no. Not with my girl.
You just said it. Yeah, so like we were saying, you said you taking love over $1 million.
For sure.
I'm taking love over $1 million. Man, what you doing?
I'm loving my girl, bro.
You gonna love your girl, bro? Alright. That's it with the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next. Make sure you subscribe to my boy Josh.
And follow
His
me.
channel will be in the description. And follow me on what?
6 man.
On Instagram. And we
Alright.
gone.